How to use Keplr wallet with Osmosis. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of Osmosis, and over here you will be able to find the option of launch app. Just simply click on it, and over here you will be able to find the option of connect wallet. Just simply click on it. Now select Keplr wallet over here. Make sure that you have installed Keplr wallet. After that, approve it. And you can see that we have connected to our Keplr wallet. Now we can swap or do any other stuff using Keplr wallet. We can check the assets over here. We can also deposit and withdraw different cryptocurrencies using Keplr wallet on Osmosis. You can participate in different pools. Over here, just select the options on the left hand side panel and you would be able to do all this stuff using Keplr wallet on Osmosis. You can stake and provide margins and perpetuals, and you can utilize other applications as well. And this is how you would be able to use Osmosis platform using Keplr wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.